What challenges might arise when practicing compassion at workplace? Though practicing compassion in the workplace is valuable, but it does comes with challenges. Here are some potential obstacles. Emotional burnout. Constantly offering empathy and support can be exhausting, especially if you are dealing with your own stress. Second, workplace boundaries. Compassion should be balanced with professionalism. Being too accommodating might blur boundaries or lead to being taken advantage of. Next, difficult colleagues. Some coworkers may not be receptive to kindness, making it challenging to maintain a compassionate mindset. Next, time constraint. In demanding environments, people may not be interested to engage in meaningful act of compassion. Perceived weakness. Some workplaces prioritize competitiveness and compassionate behavior may mistakenly be seen as a weakness rather than a strength. Unrealistic expectation. Overextending kindness and help can lead to unrealistic workloads or responsibility. Therefore, it is better to practice compassion mindfully while maintaining boundaries and self care.